Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. I have an illustration here that I'm going to be showing you guys, especially the ones that are running Sasams on multiple computers. We have a system, when this SSM started, the department gave each school a computer and a printer, and then they installed the application on that computer, and the school management was done from that computer. And then we later came up with a way of sharing the database so that the teachers can be able to capture their own marks, and the administrator will just come with the schedules and reports and stuff like that. So the system that we used before, when we first started sharing the database, it was that we would install SSMs on each laptop that is on the network, and also install SSMs either on the laptop that will be acting as a server, or on the actual server, depending on the size of the school. And what that meant was that when a client laptop like this one opened SSMs, what would happen is that the whole database would move from the main laptop to the client laptop. Not really move, but be opened, like the whole size of the database. If the database is 150 megabytes, it will entirely go to this laptop, and then this laptop would work on the SSMs, and each time you click save, the entire database would move to the server or to the main laptop. That was good at the time because the database was very small. It was like 40-50 megabytes. And then as time goes on, the features were added, like library, like books, timetable, registers. When all those features were added, so the database size increased. What happened was that now it seems like it's slowing down bit by bit as you go. So the time it would take to open the database increased, and the time it would take to save the database would also increase. So what we came up with now is that we would set up a remote sort of server here, and then we would remove SSM's applications on all the other laptops. And then what will happen is that you are going to open the server from this laptop, and you would actually see the interface of the SSMs that is run here on the server. The actual database doesn't ever come here. So what you see here is just the interface. And then you would work on the same database that is here. This one will also work on the same database that is here. Each laptop would have their own user inside the server. So you can work at the same time and work on the same database, but then the speed that happens when you save is just the same as the speed as if you were working on the server itself. So imagine if you would save maybe a mark sheet of like 80 children. When you save it is instant, because the database is no longer moving between the points. The database stays at the same place, but here you just see the interface of the SSMs. So that is what I wanted to share with you, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you understand what I mean by this. And feel free to go to Ituza Tech website to find out more about this new way of using the SSMs in multiple computers. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time, and enjoy your day going further. Bye.